Hiya, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a purchase order from Spoiled Cosmetics. And this is the planchette palette. So I'm going to open this and let y'all see. This is the planchette palette. Here's the back. And the inside. Let me find something to cover the mirror first. There we go. Aren't these colors gorgeous? Let me zoom in for you guys. Look at these colors, how pretty. I love them. I have more than just this palette from her. And this is the most recent that I've gotten. Okay, so this is all for today. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. Let me see. There's a white piece of plastic in here for the colors. Yes. What was I saying? Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all on the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.